Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change Braille language in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for Braille options and how to change the language. So first of all we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options. Then TalkBack. Next settings. And here we are looking for the Braille options. So Braille keyboard is here. And here we have languages. So to add or to change a language, first we need to select this option, add language, select the language that we want, select again, go back, and now we can choose from the list of these languages. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.